Hello guys, welcome back. In today's quick video, we'll explain what a blue light on your RE water heater means, how to read blinking patterns, and what you should do next to stay safe and restore normal operation. When you see a blue light on your RE water heater control panel, the pattern tells you the unit's status. A solid blue light means everything is working normally and your water heater is operating as it should. But if the blue light starts blinking, it's sending an error code that needs attention. To understand the problem, count the number of flashes in each blinking cycle. Each pattern represents a specific fault. For example, 7 blue flashes usually indicate a gas control valve failure, which often requires professional service. Other patterns, like 3 flashes, can mean different issues depending on the model, so checking your owner's manual is essential. Common codes include 00 for power interruption, 13 for gas supply issues, and 16 for temperature sensor problems. Once you identify the pattern, start basic troubleshooting. Check the gas supply and make sure all electrical connections are tight. Then perform a reset by turning the unit off, waiting 3 to 5 minutes, and turning it back on. Also inspect the condensate drain and vent pipes for blockages. If blinking continues or the code points to a gas control issue, stop troubleshooting and contact a certified technician to avoid safety risks or warranty issues.